In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this type of error in Xcode. When you are developing an application in Xcode, sometimes you might get this type of error. Unable to deploy SavePanel, your app has the user selected file read entitlement, but it needs user specified file read write to display SavePanels. So let's see how we can fix this problem. So at first we need to close this application. This run. I'm going to click this stop and it will be stopped. Then I'm going to click the main project file. Where is the project structure is there. This is the first location, and then I'm going to click the project. Once we click here, then here we'll find different options are there. So here on option is targets. We just need to click here, and then we have to come to general section, and if we scroll we'll see different options are there. But I'm not going to change anything to fix this error. This is related to file read write, this type of issue. So we have to go here, sign in and capabilities, and here if we scroll we'll see on part is there App Sandbox. So this is the main section where we need to work. So here we see user selected file. User selected file is the error. It is clearly mentioned user selected file read thing. So user selected file here is read only. So what we need to do, we need to change it to read write, this one. So just click over there, and then it will bring this option. From here just choose read write. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be like that. And now if it will be set to read write, and now if we try to run this application, there will be no error. And that's it. In this way we can easily fix that type of error.